Passive income paradise. Passive income paradise. Streams of online income anyone can start today in today's digital age. The concept of passive income has gained immense popularity. Who wouldn't want to earn money while they sleep or lounge on a tropical beach? The allure of generating income streams online has captivated many individuals looking to escape the traditional 9 to 5 grind. With the right mindset, skills, and determination, anyone can start their passive income journey today. One of the most accessible and beginner-friendly ways to generate passive income online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services offered by others and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done by creating a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence where you share valuable content related to the products you are promoting. With consistent effort and a loyal following, you can generate a steady stream of income from affiliate marketing. Another popular avenue for passive income is creating and selling digital products. Whether it's an e-book, online course, or software, digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly without the need for physical inventory or shipping. The key to success in this area is to identify a niche or problem that people are willing to pay for a solution. By providing valuable content or tools that address these needs, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and generate passive income from your digital products. If you have a knack for writing, freelance writing can be a lucrative source of passive income. Many businesses and individuals are willing to pay for high-quality content for their websites, blogs, or marketing materials. By offering your writing services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you can attract clients from around the world and generate income on your own terms. As your reputation and portfolio grow, clients may even approach you directly, allowing you to earn passive income by simply accepting assignments and delivering exceptional content. For those with a creative side, selling artwork or photography online can be an excellent source of passive income. Websites like Etsy or Redbubble provide a platform for artists to showcase and sell their creations. By leveraging the power of social media and online marketing, you can reach a global audience and sell your artwork without the need for a physical gallery or middleman. This allows you to earn passive income from your artistic talents while focusing on creating more masterpieces. Investing in dividend, paying stocks or real estate is another common way to generate passive income. While it requires some upfront capital, the potential returns can be substantial. Dividend paying stocks provide a regular income stream through the dividends distributed by the companies you invest in. Similarly, rental properties can generate passive income through monthly rental payments. With careful research and a long-term investment strategy, you can build a portfolio that generates a consistent stream of passive income. In conclusion, the possibilities for generating passive income online are vast and accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort. Whether through affiliate marketing, creating and selling digital products, freelance writing, selling artwork, or investing, there are numerous avenues to explore. The key is to identify your strengths and interests, develop the necessary skills, and take consistent action towards building your passive income streams. With determination and perseverance, you can create your own passive income paradise and enjoy the freedom and financial security it brings.